Cool. So we have 14 and 3. Again, this might be €1 when you want to try the foot step out. You're doing fine with it, but that little step there might be the thing that stops you getting too flat too quickly. And then Otto, please don't rush your first turn. Let Matthew, so what the idea here is you're trying to let Matthew join you at this point here. Look at what happens down the bottom. See how Yora has waited here for Nadia. And so when you do this, it creates more space between you two because your knee goes in between. Okay, Nadia, on your early threes, the later ones are better. First of all, the builds look much better, much tighter. It looks to me, Nadia, like that you're leading it only with a leg backwards. I'd like to see your upper body moving this way, going through where Matthew's head is. And that will stop you from opening up. See that there now? And now you're a bit of a target here for Otto. I mean, you deal with it very well with a vertical, but yeah, just be careful of that. Okay, timing again here. So we got Yora and Nadia. Yeah, so Yora's a little quick here, just a little, not so bad. Cool. And then the finish shapes. So this is bites us more later. This first one's, but look at this, Yora. So Yora, you've completely over-rotated here, and Nadia is finishing correctly. And that just makes the communication hard at the end. Very nice build. And then, Nadia, if you have a look at how Otto does this, as he starts his move, he gets a little more of his upper body involved. And so now his body goes through that gap. See, you get the clearance there. Yeah. And so right now what's happening is every time you come through, Nadia, like this, you're like, oh, if there's a little bit of close proximity, you're just trying to move out the way. Okay, finish of the 14. The turns were good, but at the finish, so Yora, right now, this is a very good timing, very good pictures, but you just need to learn to stop right there. That will be just fine. And yeah, it's actually a pretty standard issue that can be solved by a more cheated 14 finish. Going 14 to N, anytime we do that, we can run into this problem. Otto, looks like you're slowing down. You see it coming. You're like, oh, what's happening? But yeah. There you go. Nice, Yora. So Yora, better finish shape there, slight cheat, and it just gives that clearance there for Nadia's legs. See there, Nadia, that to me it looks like you've changed something. Like right now I see your upper body involved, trying to take your upper body through there, and there's less of an issue with the collision. Watch the finish shape on the 14. And also the smaller threes, that was our goal. So Otto here from N to 3. You don't need to move quite so far away. And Matthew, you can be stopping in the middle. Matthew, you want the three-way piece to connect first. Don't be trying to help Nadia too much, please. It's better that Nadia moves just a fraction to you and she is last, and that we build a nice, tight three-way piece. Yeah. There we go. So let's watch this. So this to me is a really good build because the three-way is connected. We have a pretty nice shape here, and then the very last grip is with Otto and Matthew. Nice 3 as well there, Nadia. I like that. Yeah, getting your upper body going through looks good. And that little turn at the end. So let's make sure as you come through, Nadia, right now, rather than sitting still, as soon as Otto's head goes through, rather than reaching for that grip, just rotate your whole body like 45 degrees at the end. And that way we won't have such a wide finish shape. Nice shape at the start of the 14. See What's going on here? See if it's Matthew. Yeah, I wouldn't go quite so far, Matthew. Angle was much better though. The angle is really good, yeah. So right now there's no helping on the angle. You're just positioning